Oh, there you are, YouTube. Today, we spent the day at the Arboretum. Have a look.
You gonna run down the hill again? Yay! Bonk.
Did you make it? Whoa!
You coming back up?
Oh, be careful. Whoa! No, he's
Oh,
okay.
you went down the
Need
steep
help?
end.
You wanna go back up?
Crawling up. Whoa! Everybody's falling.
Did you fall? Did you get it?
You got it. You want some water? Okay.
They look great. Pretty cute. Ready to walk? Yeah. On the path? Okay, let's keep going and see what we can see. Hey girls, help. Yeah, and the coffee sound.
It gets pretty steep. Yeah, let's go over to that branch. Looks like we can use it as a swing. Look at that. What do you got? Wow.
You gotta hold it out.
What are you saying? Are you Gandalf?
That's what I'm trying to get her to say.
You shall not pass. This branch is pretty gnarly. Ready to go back over to the path?
Yeah.
Right there. Look at all the sticks on the water, on the ice. See that big branch in the ice? Wow. Do you see it? It's just sitting there. That's a good one.
This one over here, look. Girls, look at this one. Oh, that
Oh,
one's cute.
that's just like the one Boy George sits on in Karma Chameleon.
You want to sit up there? Come a
Chameleon. You come and go. Come and go. Loving would be easy if your colors were like my dreams. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green.
Take us on the bench near Nellie.
There you go. The Blue Man Group. You're doing great. Great drumming. One more time. Yeah. Yeah. Where'd she learn that? Animal from the Muppets, probably. That was amazing. Tracy's got it.
Yeah.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Do you remember? This is awesome.
You're so good at this.
Yeah.
She's over there
She's
next to
drumming
Dad.
on that bench over there, I think.
You
Yeah.
wanna stay here? You want to go with her?
Go follow Sissy. Good job. Oh! You okay, babe? There you go. Good job. Duel of the drums.
Go like this.
Yeah, rock and roll. Whoopsie daisies.
Here. Let's pick that up. Okay. Let me fix your house.
You drumming on your knee?
Are you just collecting a bunch of drumsticks? Do you have a lot in the
Got a big
arsenal
collection?
here? You look so serious when you're doing that. You're so good at this.
You're doing great.
That's a really
Big
big
drumstick.
one. That would be really hard to drum with, but
Whose song starts with I Wanna Rock? What is that? I wanna rock.
it is. I can't even think of it.
I can't either.
I want to rock, rock.
If you know, leave a comment down below of who says that in what song.
Are you hunting Moby Dick?
That is a really cool tree.
Yeah. That's the one I want to get.
What is it?
Bald cypress.
Ah. Hey, what are you saying? You wanna rock?
I want to rock.
I wanna rock.
I want to rock.
So you said you think it's scorpions?
I think so.
Is it scorpions or scorpion?
Scorpions.
Oh.
I think. Can I help you? I don't know. I can't find any more.
What do you have there? Oh.
But look at all your seeds, Winona. Yeah.
And that was our day enjoying all the beauty that nature has to offer. Perhaps I'll see you tomorrow for more Pure Hangout.